Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be teaching you how you can download and install TikTok. So go ahead and open your app store and then tap on the search icon on the lower right. And then here just type TikTok, search. And then when you see TikTok here, just tap on this icon on the right. That's the download icon. And then it will start to automatically download. Now this may take a while, so I'll be back once it's ready to go. All right, now that that is done, then just tap on open. And that is how easy it is to install and to download TikTok from your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.